Um, what you are going to do, now I am going to have the answer, I'm going to be, after I do the bottom part too, because I'm going to show you another example in the bottom one. Um, I'm going to do another video with the answers, and I'm going to kind of walk you through like how I did it. So just take your time on this. Have some fun trying to draw these different rectangles. Either kind of do that kind of playing around guessing like I was doing, or use the math. Like right now I know I just need 4 more. So if I need 4 more, I'm probably going to have to split that to help me figure out what my 2 widths will be. Then for your answer here, you need to compare the shapes of the rectangles with the least area and the greatest area. So you're not going to be able to do that part until you finish. So just to let you know, your least area will be 5. I'm not going to tell you what the perimeter of those two sides, I'm not going to tell you what the 2 sides are, but it's going to be 5 though. And so basically you need to just give an explanation of, or compare those two. Like what was the shape for your 9? Well, the 9 one is a square. So I wonder what the 5 one will look like. So I can say the greatest area shape is a square, and the least area is something. Okay, well, that's good to know. Okay, gonna go to the next one here. So you're gonna finish, find the other 2 rectangles, get those in. Now I'm going to show you though on this one. Now, this is where if you want to get a new piece of a new piece of grid paper, you can. Or if you have enough space, I'm just going to go to the bottom of my grid paper now. For this one, this time on a centimeter dot grid, draw all possible rectangles with a perimeter of 22. So instead of 12, now we're going to do 22. And whose side lengths are whole centimeters? So that'll have to be holes again. Label the lengths of 2 adjacent sides of each rectangle. Find and label the area of each rectangle. In the table, record the lengths of the adjacent sides and the area of each rectangle, and compare the shapes of the rectangle with the least area and the greatest area. So you're doing the same thing again, but you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles this time. So I'm going to give you 2 examples. So that's be 22. All right, I'm just going to start by doing, let's see here. I'll start by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if I know I have 5 there, I'm gonna go one more. 6. Because I have to get to 22, so this one's gonna be a little bit longer. So that one's 6. Well, so if my top is 6, my bottom will also be 6. So that means I already have 12. So 6 and 6 will be 12. I need to get to 22. So I can just do 22 minus 12. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Ooh, 10. I only need 10 more. Well, I can't put 10 on both sides, but I can split this though. Well, 10 split in half. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this side is 5. My the top is 6, bottom is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. And I'm going to just double check that the perimeter is that. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Add that. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Perimeter is 22. Awesome. So on this sheet, my length is 6. My width is 5. And then my area, remember I'm just going to do length times width. So 6 times 5. So area is 30. Cool. All right, I'm going to try another one. I just totally lucked out there. All right, let's see. This time I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if my top is 7, and so now instead of doing it, well, I'll do this. Well, no. I'm going to show you some, instead of doing like the math part, if that's not feeling comfortable and you're just like, you know what, well, I just want to kind of do some playing around with it. So my top is 7. I'm going to try going down 1, 2, and see what happens with that. So that side is 2. And this is, if my top is 7, my bottom is 7. And if that left side is 2, my right side is 2. Okay, so 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Nope, not enough. Doesn't work. So I can't do that one. Okay, let's try another one. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. If my top is 7, my bottom is 7. My left is 3, my right is 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 20. Nope, not enough. I have to get to 22. So I'm going to get rid of this here then. I'm going to try 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top is 7, my bottom is 7. My left is 4, my right is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 22! It works! So that's another way to do it. I just was kind of playing around, trying to just count it out to see if I could get it that way. I'm going to show you my other way, though, of how I was doing it. Now remember, okay, my top is 7. Oh, if my top is 7, my bottom is 7. I have to get to 22. And I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. I have to get to 22. How much more do I need? Well, I can do 22 minus 14. Well, I can't do 2 minus 4, so I have to do some trading, borrowing. My 2 turns into 110. That 2 turns into 12 ones. 12 minus 4 is 8. Oh, I need 8 more. Okay, well, I can't put 8 on both sides. I have to split 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, I'm just going to erase this work so I can make sure I have enough space there. So 4 plus 4. So I just need 1, 2, 3, 4. Top is 7, bottom is 7, left is 4, right is 4. Okay, let me just double check my work. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. Add that up. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Awesome, 22. So back to my sheet here. My length, what was my length again? Oh yeah, the top is 7, and my width is 4. So I have 7, 4, and then remember area is just length times width. So I just take the 7 times the 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Cool. All right, now I have 3 more of those to do to try to figure it out. And then on the bottom again, I'm going to have to compare the greatest area with the smallest area, with that least amount of area. So just to let you know, your smallest area is going to be 10. So as you're trying to do your answer, you can just start it off again with the greatest area is, and I can look at my shape. Oh, it looks almost like a square, is close to a square. Or I could say the 6 and the 5 are almost the same. They're really close to each other. And the least area is what? And you're going to just answer that question. How would you describe the least area shape? Okay, have fun and come back to see my thinking.